Good afternoon. Thank you for calling the Jade Restaurant. My name is Miko. How may I assist you today?
Hi Miko, I'm hoping to book a dinner table for this coming Saturday night. If you have anything open.
I'll be happy to help you with that. Before we check the availability, may I please start with your first and last name?
Of course, it's Julian Vance.
Thank you. Just to make sure I have that exactly right in our reservation system, could you spell the last name for me?
It's Vance.
Got it. Let me just double check phonetically to be absolutely sure. Is that V as in Victor, A as in Alpha, N as in November, C as in Charlie, E as in Echo.
Yes, that is completely correct. Spot on.
Perfect. Thank you for verifying, Mr. Vance. Now, how many guests will be joining you at what is your preferred time?
It will be a party of four, and we were hoping for somewhere around 7 p.m.
Let me look at our seating chart for this Saturday. It looks like our main dining room is fully committed at 7, but I do have a beautiful boat available at either 6:30 p.m. or 7:45 p.m.
Oh, 7:45 p.m. actually works out much better for war group. Let's lock that in.
Excellent. I hope you down for our guests at 7:45 p.m. May I also get a mobile number where we can send your text confirmation link?
Sure, it's 555-019-2834.
Perfect. To recap, we have a table for 4 under Mr. Julian Vance this Saturday at 7:45 p.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that is everything. Thank you so much for your true help, Miko.
It is absolutely my pleasure. We look forward to welcoming you as your guest this Saturday. Have a beautiful rest of your day.